Let's go over testing your car battery. I think a scenario that we have all found ourselves in at one point or another, we go to turn on our car and we're getting symptoms of a weak battery. So we go online, we do some searching around, and we see that we can test the voltage of our battery with a multimeter. And you might even go and look up on YouTube how to use your multimeter and how to test your battery with it. And it might even be one of my videos. But that's not the whole story. And so that's where a product by FNIRSI they sent over, their BTM-24, is going to give you a nice user-friendly version of the story that you can unpack and you can get some accurate results. But let's just go ahead and see what's going on with this battery in particular. So we have our multimeter set to volts DC. We go ahead and take a nice little measurement and we're coming back right around 12.5 volts. Now, if you go and punch that number into Google, it'll actually sound like things are going well, and it might turn you astray to think that, well, the battery's not the issue because my voltage is coming back well. That's not necessarily the case. And something that we need to understand about our vehicle batteries is that there is a difference between your state of health and your state of charge. Right now, our state of charge on the battery is fairly good, but state of health is a whole another variable that we have to account for when we're thinking about our car battery's health. There are a few ways to gather that information. Either one is through a voltage drop test using your engine as the actual load for the battery. Sounds a little bit complicated. Another way to determine state of health is to use something like that. That's a carbon pile tester. You can also use that in place of the load instead of the engine, and you can look at the voltage drop. You also have to consider temperature. Or something that's been coming more into the market that's a lot more consumer friendly, that just spits out a nice little number at a very affordable cost, your BTM-24. So why don't we hook it up and see how it's used. Guys, we're gonna go over the main feature that you're gonna be using. This test can be done in car, at a car, and hopefully this helps clear up the state of health versus state of charge. One of the things that you are going to want to look for on your battery before we begin is your cold cranking amps. This one's rated for 750. Yours could be rated for 550 or 925. They can vary quite a bit, and that's going to affect our test results. So we want to make sure that we have that number before we get started. Very simple. We can just go ahead, red to positive, black to negative. The tool will automatically turn on. It's going to sense the battery voltage and be like, hey, you're going to test a battery. Let's get started. So we have this nice clean little home menu laid out for us with our battery test. We can just hit OK. That's going to bring us to our test menu. We can see we have the voltage of the battery that we want to test and the specs. We're going to go with cold cranking amps, and then we're going to put in the amount of cold cranking amps that's labeled on our battery. And we can do that by just scrolling down here and toggling to the left or to the right to get it dialed in. And then we simply just press OK. It's going to run through its tests. And here we come back with the truth. And the truth is our state of charge is great. It's at 97%. That's why we're seeing that, 12.5 volts, but our actual battery life is very low, meaning that this battery is actually testing bad currently and needs to be replaced. And that number is going to be based off of the milliohms that it's reading in the battery, an extremely accurate internal resistive measurement of the battery telling us if it's good or bad without necessarily having to load test it, which is a really awesome technology and function. So why don't you go ahead and check out the FNIRSI BTM-24. Let me know your thoughts or your questions down in the comments below.